Hi everyone, this is a video on showing you how the wizard is set up in general, what are the standard settings and what are the components a wizard exists of. For this we are in customer 210, PPM customer 210, and we go to this plus button and we are choosing a wizard which is called create new idea, and this will be the dummy wizard we are looking at. So this is the user interface, and this, on the other hand, is the admin interface which you reach with the right wizard admin. Okay, doing that, this page opens, and we want to work with create new idea, which is the wizard ID 13153, which currently is active. That is why you can see it in the selection when you press the plus button. If you deactivate that, you would not see that in the selection anymore. There is a name which is mandatory, neue Idee anlegen, or if you choose to have another language, then create new idea. The description is the same in German and in English. It is needed. Create new idea. The order indicates in what kind of rank you would find if you press the plus button. You would find the active wizards. The wizard instance role is quite important and you have to define it. The standard role you're using is the wizard editor, which is similar to an item editor when you're in an item. So normally you choose wizard editor. There's a roles and rights concept to that. Please watch the video on roles and rights. Delete wizard on instance is normally ticked. Please deactivate it in 99% of all cases. This is not needed. You should not click that, so it should be deactivated. Start wizard from URL. This will be tackled in a later video. So these are the settings, the standard settings, the details of a wizard. The wizard ID is quite important if you're talking to implementation teams. Then you need to refer to this wizard ID. A wizard contains out of strides or pages. So if you're looking at this wizard, for example, the first page you see is this welcome to the idea management. This is create new idea, and this is the number one stride selection of corporate division. This is the start stride. So one stride has to be activated as a start stride. If you want, you can show the wizard name in here. So I click this and I now refresh the page, and you would not only see the name of the wizard create new idea, but as well the name of the page of the stride selection of corporate division, which is exactly what you have defined here. The next stride could be capture the idea or team or message to PMO, and you define the navigation between the strides with a navigation. So when you activate one stride, it is in blue, and everything else, all the other chapters below, navigation, conditions, actions, components, are referring to this stride, to this page. If you're activating another one, then all you see in the other parts in navigation and action refers to this stride. So always be careful and work from top to down. Select the stride you are currently want to work in. You need to activate it to see it in blue, and everything else you will see on that navigation in the wizard will be on this one. So the next one is the strides, the pages, and the navigation between the strides is done in the navigation part. So for example, you can see that I'm choosing a test idea, and I press the save button, and it takes me to the next page. Capture the idea. Why is it doing that? Because I've said select selection of a corporate is the first stride, and once this stride is finished, and what exactly this is done I'll show in the next video, then take me to the next page, which is capture the idea. If I'm then on capture the idea, I have two options: a back, which navigates me to the stride before, and a next button, which navigates me to another stride. So I have the selection of the strides in the navigation, and I can define what is the name of the button I see left and right of that page. So I see the back button left because it is defined left, and it would navigate me to this stride, and the next button would navigate me to the team. Once I'm in the team, there is two possibilities again. Backwards would navigate me to capture the idea, and next would bring me to message to PMO. I could even set up a next to or anything else and say if I press next to, I want to come to selection of corporate division again. So you can have multiple navigations on left and right hand side, which allows the user to maybe shortcut or take different directions within a visit. Okay, this is to be continued in the next video when we are talking about even more the strides, the navigation, the conditions and the actions. Thanks.